Hey plant pals! I don't really know where this video is gonna end up, so if you end up sticking around, thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. And let's just get into this video. So I have had this, specifically this string of turtles for like 2 years now, and this is how big it is, okay? I have almost killed it several times, and the only way that I'm able to keep it alive is by keeping it in this Starbucks cup. If I take it out, it all dies back, it shrivels up, and like it's cute in here, like it doesn't really bother me that much. It's actually really easy to move around, like you're not gonna tip your plant over. It's really compact, so I can put it anywhere I want to. The thing is, this thing is starting to grow so big, and I would love to have a really large string of turtles. Just seeing those like really luscious, and they're just so plump, those really huge plump leaves, that's what I want for my plant. So we're gonna have to make a switch up here because it's really outgrowing this, but honestly the leaves are starting to get really plump. So I'm very excited about that. But I was thinking about it, and I have this cloche that I found. My mom just had it for some reason. I'm not sure what it's for. It's really dirty. I'm just gonna ignore that. And I was trying to find a plant to use it for, but as you can see, it's really short and there are no 4-inch pots that will fit here. If you have a plant even in a 2-inch pot, if it grows tall, then it's not gonna fit. So I also have this pot, which I originally wanted for a variegated string of hearts. That didn't end up happening. So I just literally discovered this last night, or 2 nights ago. Yes, 2 nights ago. And I was like, oh my gosh. I had this like epiphany, like this is perfect. This is kind of like a terrarium, right? I don't know. But I really like the concept because what I have, my conclusion that I've come to is that these string of turtles really need humidity, and under my care, they will not survive without the humidity. So this is the perfect little setup. I also had this pot, which I just want to show you. It's not relevant, but it looks like a little acorn, right? But it's too dangerous, so I'm not gonna do that, but it's just so cute. So let's get to potting. I'm so excited. Literally, I don't think this is the pot that it came in. No, this is a old 2-inch like pot from I think a Lowe's succulent. It says a split stone, but I don't remember getting one from Lowe's, so I'm not sure. You know how sometimes they mislabel their plants? It might have been that. But it's time to pot this little baby. I'm really excited to see how big it's gotten. I think one of my favorite things about plants in general is just to see how big they've gotten. So I really like to take pictures of my plants, but they're ugly pictures, like they're not beautiful pictures at all. It's just so I can look back at them and remember like, oh my gosh, how this plant has grown. So for example, I probably have showed you, or am showing you right now, a picture of my peperomia prostrata when it was tiny. You can see it's an ugly picture. The plant looks like it's struggling, but now I can see how much it has been through, how much it has grown. And so I encourage you to take pictures of your plants. You probably already do. I take pictures of them so often. Like my phone is literally all packed pictures of my kitties, my plants, and then my little doggies. Well, my boyfriend's doggies. So, and then I always show pictures of my plants to people, and they literally do not care. But I'm just so excited. So this mix that I have right here, I just made it off camera because I don't know, it's a lot of different things combined. It's cocoa core, coconut husk, cocoa chips, worm castings, sand, pumice, charcoal, maybe a little bit of orchid bark, I don't remember, and then some rainforest of the sea. So a lot of stuff is in here. I kind of put a lot of sand. I just really want it to drain out quickly, but we can take a look at how this plant is looking. I have not taken it out since I put it in here, so I'm very it's kind of curious. Oh no, some of the A whole strand. A whole strand is on here. I'll probably propagate it. I'm not sure how. All of these I'll hopefully propagate. Oh my gosh, this thing is so fragile. I'm surprised it's still alive, honestly. And it's become like a really, well, not really, but a much easier plant to get. Like before this year, I had never seen one in a nursery before, but now I see them whenever I go to a nursery. So it's really exciting, but I don't want to buy a new one. I just want to keep trying to grow mine. They're just so fragile though. Ugh, oh my gosh, so many of these little pieces are coming off. I think some of it kind of like rooted. It got to the bottom of the pot and it rooted like in the drainage holes. So this thing is really trying something. It's just trying to branch out, and I've been like, nope, stay in your little Starbucks cup. But these are literally like peas falling all over the place. Oh, this is so rough. And like with other peperomias, I am not trying to mess with the roots. I'm trying to not touch them as much as possible. Okay, here it is. It looks like spaghetti, like angel hair pasta kind of on here, but it's so cute. I really adore it. I'm just really hoping that it doesn't die. I wouldn't be surprised if it died. I would just be really sad. So I'm gonna boop, just like that. It's so cute. I wish I didn't have to live with this cash po on it, but that's the way it's gotta be. Oh, I almost forgot this one strand. And I was thinking of not putting the propagations in the same container, like just in case it died. But I'm kind of done with having a bunch of split up plants. If anything, I would love to combine more plants together because, you know, every time it's the same thing, like, gotta have more space. But I'm so happy with this. I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. I can see the really fat leaves, like the fat juicy leaves that I'm talking about that I really want. 2 of them fell off, so hopefully they're gonna propagate on their own. But leave me any tips if you have some. So far, this is all I could come up with. And I think I might move it to a brighter window since I've been keeping it under these grow lights for the entire time that I've had them. I would need to make some room in my south-facing window because that's the only other place in my house I can keep plants. I think I would really like it there. I don't know why, I'm just super hesitant about it. Probably because my cat always goes up there and he knocks plants down. Like, they are on a shelf, like, far away from anything because I don't want my cat to knock it down. Like, one cat, his name is Tato Tot. You've probably seen him try to knock down my plants like in my videos. There was one video where I was doing a repotting or something, I think. He came in my room and he started messing things up. But he loves knocking down, especially water propagations, because he's always trying to drink the water that is in the cup. So I've had to keep water propagations far out of his reach. But sometimes he'll still get his like little paws knocking things everywhere. Usually he's really good about it though, but sometimes he just gets curious. So that would be awful if he dropped this and it broke and there would be glass everywhere. So we'll see about where I end up putting it, but I'll probably show you guys at the end of the video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching because I don't even know what the heck this video is about, but I really appreciate you watching it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye! Alright, here he is. I watered him, I made some space, and now he's living in a south-facing window. Hopefully Tater Tot doesn't attack, but I will be keeping my eye out. There you have it. He's all set, ready to live a good life.